La 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 lila yo, la 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 lila yo.
Oh, me and my friends, the king of good time. We're gonna have a good time. Get together.
La 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 lila yo, la 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 leo, la 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 lila yo, la 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 leo, la 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 la, la 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 leo.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 8th year in succession that we are looking out for the best voices in Goa. And after 4 grueling auditions in Panjim, Vasco, Mapsa, Margao, followed by a semi-finals, here we are for the grand finale of Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2012. Well, like every year, we had a tremendous response, and there were hundreds of participants at every audition from different parts of the states. Well, we had judges who had to go through these grueling auditions, and finally now it has boiled down to this moment where this year's Kingfisher Voice of Goa will be decided. Well, you must be knowing that Voice of Goa is held in 2 categories. Today we are going to have the finals in the Konkani category, and of course tomorrow the finals in the English category. And it's not only the contestants that you will see in action today. Well, you will have the pleasure of watching them here on stage. And of course, I'm sure you are looking forward to Lucky Ali performing right here live very soon. But ladies and gentlemen, this is Kingfisher Voice of Goa, and I'm sure you're eager to hear the contestants as well. We have 10 finalists today, and it is no mean achievement for them to make it to the finals. As I said, we had hundreds of contestants at every audition, and now it has boiled down to these 10 finalists of Kingfisher Voice of Goa.
ना दर्द नगा फिकीर ना दर्द नगा फिकीर अमीश का चे फकीर इंद्रधनुचे तीरदामी अमीच घायल वीर ना दर्द नगा फिकीर अमीश का चे फकीर इंद्रधनुचे तीरदामी अमीच घायल वीर मौला इश्क़-ए फ़कीर मौला इश्क़-ए फ़कीर मौला मौला इश्क़-ए फ़कीर
यार साईबा यार माझ्या तू सांगाता यार साईबा यार माझ्या तू सांगाता मळबोयर दाटला जोगुल बाय पेटला पावसाच्या तालार मळबोयर दाटला जोगुल बाय पेटला पावसाच्या तालार यार साईबा यार माझ्या तू सांगाता यार साईबा यार माझ्या तू सांगाता मळबोयर दाटला जोगुल बाय पेटला पावसाच्या तालार मळबोयर दाटला जोगुल बाय पेटला पावसाच्या तालार आकुळ पिकुळ झाला जीन तुझ्या बगर जायना मनात तारून देऊन कसो झाल्या म्हजी दैना
Mira, mira, o moja mira, 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 o moja mira. Meu tamur sang lole mata sukurara, agora zaon geli go para, gui paulen, o moja mira, mira, mira. Oh moja mira, mira, mira. Oh moja mira. Tamur sang lole mapsa sukurara, agora zaon geli go para, gui paulen, go moja mira. Tam तांबड्या कोराचें नेसलोलें एकलेंच कुशीक तूं बसलेलें करून म्हाका तूं आसलेलें तेन्ना काळीज तुज्या मोगान म्हज्या लासलेलें तांबड्या कोराचें नेसलोलें एकलेंच कुशीक तूं नेसलोलें तूच करून म्हाका तूं आसलेलें
गोवा 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 आमचे उंटा नोकेद्रो माऊदे तिचे लोटोन येता बिरे ट्युरिस्टाचे संवसारा फामाद नांव तें गोंयचें रुचीक जेवण आमच्या गोंयकारांचें शीतकोडी सोर पाटेल तें गोस्ताचें गोवा 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 आमचें फोगोती दूद लेतराचें मुस्काच्या नादार नाचता तूं पासार फेणी बातोच दाल्याचो सावार कारबीरा पूण बोटा सोकाच्या पारार रेंदेर तो चोटा मांडार मुस्काच्या नादार नाचता तूं पासार फेणी मारतोच दाल्याचो सावार कारबीरा पूण बोटा सोकाच्या पारार रेंदेर तो चोटा मांडार
काळजान सान मूग तुजो हांव कोत्ता सदांच तुज्या मोगाक आशेता दीस रात सपना तुका देखता फुडार चिंतून दुखा घोळयता काळजान सान मूग तुजो हांव कोत्ता सदांच तुज्या मोगाक आशेता दीस रात सपना तुका देखता फुडार चिंतून दुखा घोळयता मोगा तूं येणे तेणे वाट चमकताना गोपान घेयनाय म्हाका परवा तुका ना तुका हांव मोचेच करूंक मोतीन चिंताना कित्याक सांडून गेलाय म्हाका समजना जुलियाना जुलियाना मोगा म्हज्या
Come on, we can do better.
एक सुरपणान चाललंय मुगो म्हाका तुज्या विणे संवसारू नाका काळी सदांच चिंतले तुका बरें मागून आदियस कोता मोगा
ding de dang dong wara ra vi dang de dang dong wara ra do re da mi pa di ra da ma re na di dang dong da ra na re re do re re do re mi ba re na re da re dai do re re yo ye nari ye amcha ghari ye तुका फुलान सोबयता तुका साडीन न्हेसयता नारी तूं असली नारी आमच्या घरात सरी ये नारी ये आमच्या घरी ये तुका फुलान सोबयता तुका साडीन न्हेसयता नारी तूं असली नारी आमच्या घरात सरी
Mafia fulla moja mavona kahe Sangon di dona Sogalia fartle andavona kahe Boro tuchi mapa Toddoga korun dusiryanci shidi todun Kidya kortay baba Bangar motia dushi makanaka Mog mozo korinador Koire machayon baka baka Kari sada bidor रोडोय धमाका पूर्ण कोशी कोताय ताका मोगाक लावून कातोर आदी मोगामे कोत्तावय दोगांय करून कांदारा सगळी रात आमी नाचताली आमची वाजोवन गिटारां उगडास करून तुज्या उतरांचो दुकानी हांव रोडटा उजवाड घेवन केत्रांचो आख्खी रात सारता वेळ पास करून उरलेला दिसारून कांतारां करता
Kai bauro gaure amco sobitayeco O zapazaw na polon weta luksong saratso Ikaw to ras lolo salir goyen karatso Konay na dorong saina as lore amso Kitle sobit ko amche Meu ce na dusre sharkuiche Sonsarat solo qua canta Goa no get more udentice Dene am gahe devache Dusman korun soditanche Aso soram so goit so saib Samukane so rikonache Moje gelena tu ven mat pu ata zor fotai ityak tu rotai moje jitu fugar tu zainaka besos rodo hunaka
रंग आई रात मोनी अनवाई प्रीत होली कडी फुल्ली तन मनाची रात पेटली जागरणाची सुख मोहरान फुल्ली सोदिकाय गोपुला रंग आई रात मोनी अनवाई प्रीत होली रंग आई रात मोनी अनवाई प्रीत होली कड फुल्ली तन मनाची मोहरान फुल्ली सोदिका.
Let's hear it for Sushil Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. And let's hear a big round of applause for all the finalists of Kingfisher Voice of God 2012. Come on, guys, you can do better than that. Let's hear it for them. They are the finalists of Voice of God. So let's hear a big round of applause for them, please. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to invite our guest artists. They've come all the way from Bengaluru. And as I said before, well, no need to give a big biodata. Their music will speak for itself. On stage next, ladies and gentlemen, Low Riders.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Go on. What's up? Go. What's up? Put your hands up, everybody now. Go on. Sooner or later, this was bound to happen. You don't know right this is not here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Throw your hands up from the instrumental. Yeah. Cell phones beeping when I come up with the street shit. Every time I come around, I'm saying eat this. Charles Dickinson will be spitting like a rapper, sipping and drinking, hitting. When I come around, see me changing my weapon, hating and waiting and spending money on the spacing, raving and craving and killing all of you. Patiently waiting when I be sipping on my Bailey. Rule with the known, we be always on the throne. We be aiming at the, but be aiming not alone. You see us sitting at home, we be always on the phone. The money that I own, we be spending on drugs. Hold up. Yeah, we back again. The last time you seen us, we be sipping on gin. Things have changed, but we're still in the game. Louder, better, bigger, never be the same. So loud, wanna get louder. When we come around, we set it on fire. All say, low riders. Them are all say, low riders. So loud, wanna get louder. When we come around, we set it on fire. All say, low riders. Them are all say, low riders. Moment of silence is Dickinson, your highness. I'll be rapping the finest. I'll be leaving you behind us. You us, you're just always remind us of these low line brothers who are always behind us. Below riding brothers who will always respect. On the counterphone, we will always assemble. We resemble the best, don't ever put us to the test. Our bodies are always packed with women and big